Currently, we have updated 2 of the surfacing of our playgrounds, and we're in the process of updating 2 of our other playgrounds right now. We've put some new equipment on a 3rd playground, but right now we're currently working on 2 of them on a major overhaul on them. I'm Lynette Offord. I am the Head Start Director at Community Services in Maryville, Missouri, which we serve the northwest corner of Missouri. I've actually worked with Constructive Playthings since I've been a director. I've been previous director of other facilities, and I've ordered things through Constructive Play. We've been looking at redoing our playgrounds for a few years now and stuff. The biggest thing was who's going to help us do that, because I don't have the knowledge of it. Basically, the biggest thing was our fall zone. Make sure we had the right fall zone and the depth of cushioning underneath it that we needed. And Sandy and Mary were on top of that. They knew exactly what we needed, how it needed to be positioned and everything. And as far as licensing, just so that it's safe and secure for the children. And then what little things can we add to our playground to make it so that it's an activity for all kids to be able to participate. Because when you have 20 children out there on the playground, you need to make sure that you have enough equipment for all children to be participating in. And it wasn't just the climbing stuff, it was trying to bring the classroom out onto the playground too. What equipment can we get to bring the classroom out onto the playground? One of the good things about working with Constructive Play is that, if something goes wrong with our playground or our surfacing that we have and stuff, I just can call them up and they can get somebody up there and, within a couple of weeks to get something checked out and make sure it's right the way it needs to be and stuff. And having that designated rep helps a lot because she's my point of contact. And if I have any questions, I go directly to Sandy and I'll email her and she gets back with me quickly. If not that day, definitely the next day she will get back with me. Sandy knows our facility. She's been to our centers. She knows what our needs are. She knows our personnel, and she has always worked very well with us and everything. So, making that connection with your rep is a big help.